this is Ian from Scott Country here, and what we've got today is the Flextone FLX500. We've got exclusive dealership of this product, and we're just going to take you through how it works and what sort of features it has on it. So you get this wireless remote control which has 150 yards range. You've got favourite buttons, a mute button, you've got menu back buttons, and you've also got, you can change the display between day mode and 2 different types of night mode, so it's not lighting your face up in pitch black conditions. If we have a look at the device itself, it's got 3 speakers. So you've got your 2 normal speakers, and you've got your cone speaker at the front, which provides clear HD quality sound, provides some of the most realistic sounds on the market. Okay, so what we have here is the main unit of the FLX500. It comes with 3 built-in speakers. So you've got your 2 normal speakers on the side, which fold out, and you've got your cone speaker at the front. You've got your carry handle there, and it has its own built-in LCD display and buttons as well. So you can change the settings on the device here, and you can also change the volume of your call. It comes with 100 preloaded calls and the option up to go to 500. Okay, so the device is very easy to control using the wireless remote. You get to use the downloaded calls that you've put onto it, the preloaded, or the calls stored in the SD card. Now, there's 3 ports on the back of the device. So you've got your line in, which you can plug your phone in to use MP3 or WAV files. If you remove the middle one, you've got your SD card slot. So preloaded calls that you've taken off your laptop or your computer, you can put in there. And then you've got your USB and line out. So that's if you want to put downloaded calls directly onto the unit, or if you want to take the calls from it. Okay, so we have the remote from the FLX500 here, and you're able to control the speakers from 150 yards away using this remote. All the calls that are on here are categorized by animal, so you get your fox, your mouse, deer, whatever you're using it for, you can find it easily in the preloaded settings. But if you go down to settings, you get to choose the brightness of the screen, the speakers, what ones you're using. Is it just the middle one, or is it just the back ones you're wanting to use, or are you wanting to use all of them? You can select your favourite keys, and you can see what you've actually used for the favourite buttons. So at the moment on favourite 1 we've got the Red Fox Adult Distress Call, and on favourite 2 we've got Deer Mouse Squeak. You can also clear the buttons using those options there, and also pairing the device is very easy as well. All you need to do is, when you have the device set on the settings menu, you just press the pairing button, and that's it will say pairing successful. Okay, so you can look at the calls in the preloaded. You can also look at your downloaded calls and the calls on your SD card. Now for this, we're just going to go into the preloaded calls. As you can see, there's a lot of options from bear to fox. So just to give you a rough idea of the sound that you get from the FLX500, we're just going to go into fox. We're going to go into Red Fox Adult Distress, and we're going to keep the volume quite low because it is a loud sound you get from it. If you want to go back, you just scroll down to the bottom, you press back, and therefore you get to choose hog, mouse, owl. It's all categorized by animal type, and it's all done in alphabetical order as well. So if you're using it for foxing and you're wanting to draw the fox out, you would usually select a fox or a mouse. So if we just go into fox and we're wanting to say we wanted Red Fox Baby Distress as our favourite, you just hold the favourite button down and it should flash on it. That means it's saved on that favourite button. So we'll just go back to the original menu, and we'll just press favourite 2, and it starts up instantly. And favourite 1. So you can get a lot of glare from the remote control itself. So what Flextone have done is they've introduced a night vision mode. So you just press the display button in the bottom left hand corner of the remote, and it changes the colours of the display to give it less glare. As you can tell, it's a lot darker, so at night it's not going to light your face up. The remote is powered by 3 AA batteries, so if you just slide the back off like that. So both the remote and the actual collar are powered by AA batteries, and to open the battery port you just slide it to the left and it pulls out nice and easily. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the device outside and we're going to test it to see the sort of range you get with the remote control and the range you get from the speakers themselves. Okay, so we're outside here with the Flextone FLX500. What we're going to do is we're going to test the distance that the remote stays connected to the device. We're also going to check the quality of the sound that comes from it the further we get away from it. So I'm now going to go away and we're going to use the remote and we're going to see how far we can get with it. Okay, so we've got the Flextone remote here, and what we're going to do is we're going to select Fox and we're going to go down to Red Fox Adult Distress. Now we're about 75 yards away from the Flextone, so we're going to see what the sound quality is like at volume level 16 at this distance. I've got a studio mic on here just underneath my collar there, and we're going to see how sensitive it is with that. So I'm just going to press play. And okay, so as you could probably tell, that's crystal clear here at 75 yards. So what we're going to do is we're going to go even further back and we're going to see how well the sound quality is there. So as you can see, we've moved further back. We're about 100 yards away from the Flextone now, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the same call at the same volume, 16, which is half volume, and see how clear the sound is. So I'm going to press play, and even with these windy conditions, I can hear that crystal clear from 100 yards away, and probably with this studio mic you could hear that as well. So thank you very much for watching. This has just been a short information video regarding the Flextone FLX500. There'll be more information and field tests with the night vision show coming up. So all I can say is thank you very much for watching. And wait, we forgot one thing. You can also use the Flextone to play MP3s through your iPhone. So it's another key point from it. So see you next time.